I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a challenge question on solving logarithmic equations. Question is, log of fifth root of x square minus 15x is equal to 2 over 5. So we need to solve it, means find the value of x so that left side is equal to right side. You can pause the video, solve the question, and then check with my solution, right? So I hope you remember, if you write log of x equals to y, it means what? In exponential form, we can always write this as x equals to 10 to the power of y, where 10 is the base of this log, right? So we are going to use this property of logarithms, it is writing logs in exponential form, to start with. So we have log of fifth root of x square minus 15x equals to 2 over 5. I can write this as fifth root of x square minus 15x as equals to 10 to the power of 2 over 5, correct? So that is writing it in the exponential form. Log is to the base of 10. Now we have taken base of 10 and the exponent of 2 over 5, correct? Now if you carefully look into it, this is also fifth root and this is hundredths fifth root. Let me just show you how. We can write this as 10 square to the power of 1 over 5. Do you see that? Fifth root of 10 square, or let me just go one more step here so that you can appreciate what I'm trying to approach. So it gives me 100 in the base to the power of 1 over 5. Now this is also fifth root. This is another form of writing fifth root. It means that x square minus 15x should be equal to 100, correct? So now we can write x square minus 15x equals to 100, right? So we get now a quadratic equation to solve. Perfect. Bring 100 to this side, which is left side for us. 15x minus 100 equals to 0. And now you can factor. Now you're looking for two numbers whose product is 100 with a negative sign and sum is negative 15. So both the numbers should be of opposite sign. Bigger number should be positive, right? So 20 and 5 will work. So we can factor this as minus 20 times x plus 5, right? That is the factored form. Now that gives us two solutions. First is x equals to 20 and the other is when x plus 5 is equal to 0, which is x equals to minus 5. So there are two solutions to this particular equation, correct? That's how we can do it. Now it's a good practice whenever you are solving logarithmic questions to always check your answer, right? So let's check this answer. So we are saying x is 20. That means we say log of fifth root of 20 square minus 15 times 20. So that is what? So 20 square is, let's use the calculator, 400 we can write, okay, for the time being. Okay, fifth root of 20 square is 400. So let me write 400 minus 20 times 15 is 300, correct? So that gives us log of fifth root of 100. Is that okay? Fifth root of 100. Now, fifth root of 100 is log to the base 10, right? So we can write this as log 10 to the power, this is 10 square, right? 10 square. So we could write this as 10 2 over 5, just as we wrote here, right? 10 2 over 5. So log of, this is equals to log of 10 2 over 5. So log of 10 2 over 5 is 2 over 5, correct? Since this base is also 10, correct? So we get 2 over 5, which is indeed what we wanted. Similarly, we can now substitute minus 5 and check. So we have log of fifth root of minus 5 square minus 15 times minus 5. That gives us what? That gives us log of fifth root of 25, and minus minus becomes plus. 5 times 15 is 75. So we again get the same thing, that is log of fifth root of 100, right? Which we know is 2 over 5, correct? So we get exactly the same answer. Since we have square here, right, x squared, we could get the negative value as positive, and so it worked for us. I hope you understand and appreciate how we did this question. Take a good look at it and try to understand the strategy. Thank you and all the best.